All parties discussed are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This analysis is based on publicly available case status and procedural facts. We do not accuse, we analyze the legal process. And please keep in mind, the content presented in this episode is for informational and educational purposes only. It is based on publicly available records, filings, and news reports. We are not attorneys, and nothing discussed here should be interpreted as legal advice or factual determination of guilt or innocence. All parties mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please sit back and enjoy the show.
Practice on my YouTube. Yo, it's your boy MO3. Man, we're live. We're going down. I can't say that wet cash shit. Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy MO3 live in a Dallas Metro play. And if you're tuned in, then hell nah, that shit whack in the bill. Hell nah, fuck.
Guy. On bubble, nigga. 3G4L, nigga. Look. Another state with the game. Got my foot in the sand. Don't mention me in none of your comments. Go pick up your man. Slide and don't say nothing. They go fuck on the bitch. All they know Fats in jail, but they don't know what he did. Fuck the comments in the post. This is real life. If I ever catch a op, he gon' die that night. Bro be tryna tell me chill. No, I ain't living right. But he know I'm for the smoke, so don't believe the hype. If I got a step, then it is what it is. Balenciaga print. When I drop the little bitch, got it. Walk over him, and we won't say nothing. Fuck getting them touched, bitch, I'ma crush him. That's what I'm
body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just tryna get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on that. Back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
100 pounds, I broke them down, that's why I ran through them. And if a nigga want them problems, we gon' tend to him. I'm in the trenches, relaxed, chillin' with my feet up in my handgun. Niggas just be talking, but ain't saying nothing. I was taught to watch these niggas and keep a pistol. I be damned if I start laying on my nigga, even though I miss him. Niggas acting like bitches, I don't understand them, I don't get them. Got straight out the trenches with some niggas that'll come kill. Remember when my granny told me I'm a man now? She seen a nigga go get it without no hand down. I'm a real nigga, hands down. Stay focused, ain't got time to be playing around. That's a spaceship in, I can hear what they saying now. Good cushion, the L, designer symbols all on my belts. Look in the mirror, boy, you good? Yeah, I'm just talking to myself. I just be thinking about the hood, like how I came up from there. And we ain't going back, no cross account, I promise, I swear. Yeah, I been going in early in the morning, stacking up this paper till this shit start getting boring. I kill you, that's warning. My niggas be on it. All the fucking money got these bitches acting horny.
Body bags, I'm corrupted by homicide. Stuck in war, I'm just tryna get you dropped in somebody. Telling the gang it's only us, don't let them in. We do it on that. Back 3 on everybody ain't my friend. So I'm riding with this crime. Everybody ain't your friend. Everybody ain't your partner, so I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to. Yeah. So I've been putting my trust inside my chopper. It's only us, don't let them in. Do it on our own if we got. Lay in your bushes till the morning if we got to, yeah.
everybody in the building. You feel me? Ain't no maintenance man here today, man. You know what I'm saying? So we turned, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody in the building, man. Salute to the set. Shout out to the fam. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my generals and my generates in blue. I see y'all, man. Keep holding down the fort. You feel me? Keep holding down the fort, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, man, before we get things started. I just want to say, man, look, y'all know, man, we thank God for each and every one of y'all that's in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope all the ladies had a wonderful Mother's Day weekend, man. You know what I'm saying? How was y'all Mother's Day weekend, ladies? The mothers of Room 901. You know what I'm saying? How was y'all Mother's Day weekend, man? You know what I'm saying? Big sis Foel, I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you, man. You know what I'm saying? Putting this on members only. Subscribers only. You know what I'm saying? Doing what you do every live. Thank you, sis. You know what I'm saying? How was y'all Mother's Day weekend? Let's go, Charlene. Let's go, Charlene, man, with the $9.99. You know what I'm saying? The $9.99 super chat. You know what I'm saying? Getting us one step closer to our goal. You know what I'm saying? John, what's up with your sis? Homebody said her Mother's Day was great. Did y'all feel appreciated? Did y'all feel appreciated, man? You know what I'm saying? Did y'all feel appreciated? You know what I'm saying? This Mother's Day. I hope y'all did, man. I pray y'all did. You know what I'm saying? I hope everything was good for y'all, man. Even if y'all didn't do nothing. I hope y'all had a day to get a chance to relax. You know what I'm saying? A chance to just sit back. You know what I'm saying? Get your feet rubbed, whatever the case may be. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But salute to everybody in the building, man. Look, the itinerary for today. You know what I'm saying? The itinerary for today. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna we got a show for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we ain't gonna say we about to debunk no rumors, but we about to get a little straightening when it comes to certain topics surrounding this case. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the last couple of lives we've been here. You know what I'm saying? We've been kind of going federal with it. You know what I'm saying? We've been talking about Jared Johnson. You know what I'm saying? This, that, and the third. You know what I'm saying? It seems to be several people who not really clear about how the feds, you know what I'm saying, are not just impacting this case, but they help build this case. You feel me? So we're going to go down that rabbit hole today, y'all. We about to break down, show, and prove to y'all how the feds are most definitely assisting and working this case alongside of the state. You feel me? So we're going to go down that rabbit hole. You know what I'm saying? Then after that, y'all, we're going to go over to Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Because we about to start the series. You know what I'm saying? We about to go back down on rabbit holes. And I ain't going to show. I'm going to wait till we get to Twitch. You know what I'm saying? To tell y'all what we going to do. You know what I'm saying? But just know you're going to want to be in the building over there on the Twitch. So the Twitch link is the Twitch link is pinned at the bottom of the chat. You can see it say follow the Twitch. And if you click that link, you know what I'm saying, you'll be able to go over there and subscribe to the Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Come out, beautiful moderators, my generals and my generates. Can y'all please make sure, if you can, you know what I'm saying, to make sure y'all posting the Twitch link in the chat. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's the itinerary for today, man. We about to get into some content. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we ain't gonna let up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what nobody else doing, but over here at Room 901, we is not gonna let up, man. You know what I'm saying? Until we see justice, until we get that justice, you know what I'm saying? Until it's our turn to pop bottles. You feel me? Until it's our turn to pop bottles, we're gonna keep applying pressure on these motherfuckers. You feel me? So y'all do me a favor, man. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, man. Salute to everybody that's sending those gifts. I see y'all, man. I can't highlight them, but I most definitely see y'all, man. Appreciate it. Look, hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button. Hold on, real quick. I think YouTube got a deal going on with the memberships too, man. You know what I'm saying? If you grab a membership today, if you grab money bags, don't start. Don't start. Salute the money bags, man. You know what I'm saying? But look, if you grab a membership today, you get the first month free. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Red Bone, with the new money. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, sis. We appreciate you. Thank you for them cheers over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. But listen, y'all, if you grab a membership today, you know what I'm saying? Your first month will be free. For some, I don't know if it apply to all y'all. You know what I'm saying? But just click the membership thing to join and see if you got that 100% off. Yeah, so you look there for a month, you'll get access to all of our members only content. You know what I'm saying? And you won't have to pay nothing. this go around. You know what I'm saying? You will basically getting the membership for free this month. Then next month, you know what I'm saying? I guess you would have to, you know what I'm saying? You would have to pay or whatever if you choose to. But you can most definitely get a membership today for the free ski. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what YouTube got going on. I don't know what, but you know what I'm saying? You said she don't know how to do Twitch. Just wait when it's time to switch over. I'll see what I need to do for you, Sheila. We'll make sure you get over there because y'all don't want to miss what I'm about to demonstrate to y'all. I'm about to start a series over there on Twitch, and today will be part 1 of that series. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the sis, Ja, man. Glad to see you back with us, Ja. You know, we most definitely been missing you in the building. You know what I'm saying? But look, like I said, man, look, hit the like button. Let's go and get the like button to where it needs to be. We at 51 likes, you know what I'm saying? So 50 more people, you know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, man. Let's go and at least get to 100 or more. Can we do that? Can we do that? So hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? We about to turn up one last time. We about to turn up one last time. You know what I'm saying? Then we're going to get into the show. So y'all already know the routine, man. Look, hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? If you already hit the like button, then put a gorilla in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Or if you a member, put the MO3 emoji in the chat. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't hit the like button, then come back and put your emojis. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all with me? So we about to turn up, man. We about to turn up. I want to see the chat flooded with the MO3 emojis. Membership gang. Let them know how beautiful those Mo3 emojis look in the chat. Can we do that? While we turn up this one last time, can we let the people that may be on the fence about becoming a member, you know what I'm saying? Can we let them know how beautiful those Mo3 emojis look in the chat? Let's flood the chat with them things, man, while this next song playing, man. But real quick, salute to my boy Willis. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy Willis for the $9.99 contribution, man. We are officially halfway through our goal, man. You know what I'm saying? 5 more super chats, $5 or more will help us get through the door. You feel me? 5 more super chats, $5 or more will help us get through the door, man. Salute to my bro Willis. Salute to everybody, man, that contributed to the goal. Man, y'all the real MVPs, man. But let's turn up, man. I know it's Monday. I know people tired coming off Mother's Day weekend and all of that. But, man, let's turn up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's turn up, flood the chat with the gorillas, the Mo3 emojis, and turn the fuck up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Mo3, talk to him, man. Let's
that song make me want to beat your ass.
Hey, girl, if you don't get your motherfucker, hold on, man. I'm gonna have to get a new one. I'm gonna have to. I got you. Don't worry about it. You keep coming on mute with that bullshit. You keep coming on mute with that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me do this to you real quick. Yeah, we in here, man. You know what I'm saying? We are in here. Let me stop playing, my baby. Let me stop playing.
Baby, talking about it. Turn your ass up.
Come try me. Don't play with. Look, don't play with me. Don't play with me on no Monday. You hear me? But hey, matter of fact, it's a little insider. What's my nickname? What they call me? Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't tell the people. Don't tell the people. I just know I'm bona fide with it. You hear me? Just know I'm bona fide with it. Salute to Love and Love, man, for the love over there on Twitch.
Let's go, Lovey.
You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? I beat them up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Salute to everybody in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what the like button is. Let me see what. Okay. 92 likes, man. Let's go and get them likes up, y'all. We almost there. You know what I'm saying? Halfway through a goal. You know what I'm saying? 5 more super chats, $5 or more will help us get through the door. You know what I'm saying? About eight more on the like button. You know what I'm saying? Let's go and get the likes up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go and get the likes up. Let's get the numbers to numbering, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the numbers to numbering, man. You feel me? So let's get to these shout outs real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to these shout outs real quick. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, y'all.
Pretty Gems for the gift.
Salute Pretty Gems, man, for those gifts, man. Salute to Bahama Mama. Let's go, baby. Let's salute to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all. We appreciate y'all. Hold on, let me I gotta click on a. Okay, hold on. Let me get this together so I can scroll to the top. Cause I don't know why my anybody stream y'all been tripping. Oh man, what? I tried to click on today. Them folks said it's too much traffic. Come back in an hour or something. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, maybe I could do it now. Okay, there we go. All right, let me get to the top of the chat. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, family. Hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? And take this time out. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get you some juice. Use the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Pour whatever you want up in your cup. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Roll whatever you want to roll up. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? We be sober over here, but you know what I'm saying? It's your thing. You know what I'm saying? So do what y'all need to do, but hit the like button, fella. Please hit the like button. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Ty in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, them early birds, man. Ty came through at 1:30 in the morning. You feel me? Let's go, Ty. You know what I'm saying? Sheila came through at 4:05 in the morning, man. Salute to the sis Sheila, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy Slide for 3. You feel me? Came in early at 8:24 in the morning, man. You know what I'm saying? You know Big Sis 4L. You know what I'm saying? Gonna always come check the chat, scope out the scene before we even hit the live button. You know what I'm saying? She check out the parameters. You know what I'm saying? Y'all may not know, but Big Sis 4L, my mother's keeper, before we even go live, she come in. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everything how it need to be. You know what I'm saying? So salute to my Big Sis 4L for always rocking out with us. You know what I'm saying? Doing what she do. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Dazzling Divine in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to a Pretty Problem ENT in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Nisha, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe and follow Nisha, man. That is our residential DJ, man. When it's time to turn up, when we get that justice, Nisha, we gonna need you over here on the ones and twos, because I promise, man, we gonna act a donkey over here, man, when we get that justice. On God, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Man, we got Charlene Smith in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the sis Charlene. Got my boy Amir, straight out of Jersey, in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got positive vibes in the building, man. Let's go. Man, we got my boy straight from the M, Memphis Most Wanted in the building, man. You feel me? We got Blackout Media TV in the building, man. We got this, my good sis Kiki over there holding down a Twitch. She said, shh, my favorite show is on. You hear me? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Salute to Kiki over there holding down a Twitch, man. You feel me? What's up, homebody, my man? What's up with you, dog? Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Fancy Ketchup in the building, man. It's that Fancy Ketchup. Hold on. We got my boy, man, AZ King coming through with the $4.99 contribution towards the goal, man. Salute
Let's
to my
go,
bro,
AZ, my boy.
AZ King in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Representing and holding it down, man. We now need 4 more super chats, $5 or more to help us get through the door. You feel me? Let's go, man. Salute to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Cat Eyes in the building, man. You know what I'm We got Brown Sugar, baby, in the building, man. What's up with your Brown Sugar? You know what I'm saying? We got the gang. We got Vaughn in the building, man. Let's go, man. We got my boy C Dub in the building. What's up, 5? All is well, man. Hope all is well with you, 5. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here? Who else we got in here, man? Hey, man, chill out. Don't. You don't need to be doing that. Chill out, okay? Stop. Okay. Just stop. You know what I'm saying? Talk about the what's popping 5. You know what I'm saying? Salute the pretty gems in the building, man. You know what I'm saying?
Pretty gems.
We got my boy One Ratchet Ass Nigga in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? But he already know, man, 2 ratchet ass niggas in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? But he is the one ratchet ass nigga, man. Salute to my bro. Salute to the gang, man. What's up with your player? You know what I'm saying? We got Gray Day in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time seeing you over here, my guy. You know what I'm saying? So salute to you. You know what I'm saying? I see you hip hop culture judge with the $2, man. Salute to you, gang. We appreciate that, man. You know what I'm saying? Anything is plenty, man. You feel me? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We got AC Shakura in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. We got Jay for real in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. We got my boy NASCAR Fast Car in the building, man, coming through with the $10, man. He said salute to the panel from the squad, man. Shout out to the movement, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the movement. Shout out to my boy NASCAR, man, for coming through, showing love with his $10 contribution, man. We now need 3 more super chats, $5 or more to help us get through the door. You feel me? Let's kick the door down, man. You know what I'm saying? Just 3 more super chats, $5 or more. You know what I'm saying? Will help us get through the motherfucking door, man. Let's go, man. Salute the NASCAR.
Y'all know how we rock.
Let's go, man. We got Slow Burn in the building, dog. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Slow Burn, man. You know, let's get it. Another person, man, that I ain't never seen over here before, but welcome, man. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Room 901, man. To all the new subscribers. If this your first time over here, salute to y'all, man, and welcome to Room 901. You feel me? We got Tina Hampton in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let's hit that like button, y'all. Let's make sure we hitting that like button. Brown Sugar, baby, coming through, man. You know what I'm saying? With the 4.9, man, contribution, helping us get 1 step closer to our goal, man. You feel me? Let's go, Brown Sugar. You know we love you over here, girl.
Our family love us, boy. They love us.
And we love them back. Sure. And we love them back. You know what I'm saying? We thank God for each and every one of them, man. Even the ones that just hit the like button, share the live, man. Each and every one of y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? People like South Bank TV. You feel me? Salute to South Bank in the building, man. You feel me? Let's go, man. Good to see all these beautiful faces in here. You know what I'm saying? Once again, you know what I'm saying? We got the sis Ja in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely been missing you, girl. Glad you're back rocking with the gang, man. You know what I'm saying? Hope all is well with you. You know what I'm saying? We got Richie Gambino in the building. That boy got a mafia name. You know what I'm saying? That boy got a mafia name, man. Salute to Richie Gambino, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Who else we got in here? We got God's Child in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to God's Child, man. Where we at on the likes, family? Where we at on the likes? We at 115. Let's keep hitting the like button. Let's continue to hit the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Rio, what's up with you? What's up with your Radiant Jewels by Rio, man? And thank you, man, for the $10 contribution, man. You feel me? Then Miss Kelly coming through at the buzzer. You know what I'm saying? With her $5 contribution, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Rio and salute to Miss Kelly, man, for helping us round up that goal, man. Salute to y'all, beautiful ladies. Happy belated Mother's Day to y'all. You know what I'm saying? We thank y'all so much, man. You know what I'm saying? Then Redbone came through with the overkill. with the overkill, man. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go,
With another
sis.
$5, man. Salute to Redbone. Thank you, sis. We most definitely appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all so much, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We got Chandria over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Salute
Let's
to the
go.
Twitchers, man. Salute to Chandria over there on Twitch, man. Let's go. We got Money Bags coming in. Rolling her eyes and shit. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Money Bags, man. You know what I'm saying? I fucks with Money, man. I fucks with Money, man. They can motherfucker there. You know what I'm saying? At least, hey, real with it, though. You hear me?
Nah, for sure.
I ain't gonna say too much, but real with it, though, man.
Can't
Look,
do nothing but respect it. Shit.
can't do nothing but respect it, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy making moves in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. And real quick, man, for everybody that's in the building, man, we will be going to Twitch following this live. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole new series that I'm starting surrounding the MO3 content, this MO3 sector thing. You know, I'm about to demonstrate and show y'all some things that gonna make y'all say, "Oh my God." Oh man, let's go, Kelly, man, for the 5 gifted memberships, man. You feel me? So get to Kelly, man, for them 5 gifted memberships, dog. I can't highlight them because I'm at the top of the chat, but if you got one of those, man, I see Pretty Jim's got one. CB the G got one. Rocky got one. And Homebody.
Oh shit, I got a membership. I'm gonna be watching all the members' lives. Let's go.
You see the things. But salute to you though, man. Welcome to membership gang, baby. And
Thank
welcome y'all for the welcome to the new members. Y'all make sure y'all tell Callie thank her, man. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate you, Callie. Thank you so much, man. Hey, God bless you, girl. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing what you're doing. Loving to see the growth over there, man. You know what I'm saying? I see you. I see you, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Joe in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got my boy Grip in the building. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy South Carolina Grip in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Then we got my bro Willis coming off the top rope with it. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my bro Willis, man. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, I already seen it. My bad. I was just in that mode. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Dazzling Divine. You know what I'm saying? It's in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Trina Z in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Please don't forget to hit the like button, family, as you enter the building. Do not forget to hit the like button, man. It help us out tremendously, man. You know what I'm saying? Bahama Mama, what's up with your sis? The newly wedded Bahama Mama. Yeah, it's still new. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Bahama Mama in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got our 3rd chair. You know what I'm saying? Our 3rd chair that be rocking out from the chair. You know what I'm saying? Adjusted Fate is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? This is our third chair to the legal chess thing that we do over here. You know what I'm saying? She just be rocking in the chat with it, man. But most definitely be dropping some gems in the chat. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Adjusted Fate, man. We most definitely appreciate you for being here with us, sis. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in her? Hold on. I'm scrolling. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got? I see a whole bunch of repeat typers. You know what I'm saying? Which is all good. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all type on. You know what I'm saying? Okay. We got my boy East Texas Pharaoh in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? They gonna play this down in East Texas. You know what I'm saying? Salute my boy East Texas Pharaoh in the building, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Who else we got in here? Man? Don't forget to tap the like button.
Another goal, please. The chat is requesting you start another goal, please.
Let's go. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's get it. New goal is set, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Salute to the chat, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Courtney Thompson in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up, Courtney? Salute to you, gang. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Who else we got in here? You know, all these beautiful faces, all these beautiful souls, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. I be hearing people, you know what I'm saying, talk about me shouting y'all out. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, man, come back. If you don't, man, just come back. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do it. You know what I'm saying? Alicia B, what's up with your girl? You know what I'm saying? Salute to A1 since day one. Alicia B is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Thank you for the gift, Rocky.
Salute to Rocky, man, for those gifts, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? We got Cardi K, the OG.
Hey, Cardi.
The building, man. What's up with your Cardi K? Carter K been rocking out with us since the escape room days, man. Let's go, man. We got love in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We got Unc Slim Trim in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? What's up with your Unc? You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Who else we got in here?
Uncle Slim Trim.
Most definitely, my uncle is in the building, man. The OG is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Who else we got in here? We got Rocky in the building. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, Lois. Let's go, Lois. Salute to Lois, man. You know what I'm saying? For that $20, man. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Salute to Lois for the $20, man. You know what I'm saying? We know we love you, Lois. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for being here with us, and thank you for the $20, man. Let's go. I don't know why that didn't go towards the goal. You know what I'm saying? But we most definitely appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely appreciate that.
They definitely should have went towards the goal. They cheat.
Nah, for real, man. They tripping. They is tripping. What's up, K Kira? You know what I'm saying? We love you more, girl. You know what I'm saying? Love me, K Kira, man. Salute to K Kira in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy AZ King coming off the top rope. You know what I'm saying? With his $4.99 contribution. Salute to AZ King in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Okay, Kira said, CB, stop feeding Josh like that. But maybe it's heavyweight. It's both. She over here trying to get me fat, man. I don't know what she trying to do. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, but look.
I be cooking. I be in the kitchen whipping it up. You know what I'm saying? I can always starve you. You want to starve?
No, I don't want to starve, man. Keep feeding me, baby. Keep feeding me. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Salute to Nika. You know what I'm saying? The good sis is in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We love you, girl. Salute to the Empress, man, for rocking out with us. You know what I'm saying? And of course, salute to Miss Callie. Most definitely letting her presence be felt. You know what I'm saying? We love you too, girl. You know what I'm saying? We love you too. That is Mrs. Callie, MRS. Callie,
yes,
you know what I'm saying?
Get it right.
Yeah, got a wedding coming up. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Miss Callie. You know what I'm saying?
Stupid.
What happened?
He said you want to be frail like SD around here.
That nigga Trevor goddamn fool, man. Hell, nah, my frail days are over. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Salute to NASCAR Fast Car in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to 1K Shundo in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Hip Hop Culture Judge in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man.
Judge.
This Key One's lawyer. You know what I'm saying? This Key One's lawyer. Yeah, this Key One's lawyer right there. Now, this real one, y'all. We just tripping. But yeah, this is lawyer, man. And salute to NASCAR, man, for that $10 contribution. You know what I'm saying? We can highlight it now. You know what I'm saying? We done made it. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Dot in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to your love. Salute to Get Money in the building, man. He said he loved the show. You know what I'm saying? We glad you appreciate and love the show, my guy. Thank you for rocking out with us, man. You already know, man. You know what I'm saying? If I should say so myself, the number one trusted platform when it comes to breaking down this MO3 trial, man. You know what I'm saying? No cap in our rap over here, man. No narratives being spun, none of that. You feel me? Salute to Shanice Davis in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Beanie Baby in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Lena Moncrief in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. She said she rock with us for shit show. You know what I'm saying? Let's motherfucking go, man. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy 318, them more boys in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy, man. We appreciate you being here with us, gang. You know what I'm saying? Once again, man, salute to Rio in the building, man. I see you, girl. You know what I'm saying? We got Sweets 9212 in the building, man. What's up with your Sweets? You know what I'm saying? She said, I'm new to the chat, but definitely not new to the channel. Loving the content. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the game. Welcome to the set. You know what I'm saying? Kick your feet up. You know what I'm saying? And enjoy the show, love. We most definitely glad that you rocking out with us, man. You know what I'm saying? We won't fail you. You know what I'm saying? We will not fail you. Salute to Vic in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to the big homie Vic in the building. We got the good sis reflections with Kimberly in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got Keith Steele in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? And we got you, Gary. We gonna keep up the good work, man. We ain't gonna let up. We ain't gonna take the foot off their neck. You feel me? We gonna keep pressing forward, man. You feel me? We got I forgot to say it again. We got L Boogie in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? We got L Boogie in the building. What's up with your boogie, baby? You know what I'm saying? We got Tuck Madtown in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? What's the word, gang? And please, y'all do not forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button, man. You know what I'm saying? We at 144. Let's at least get to 200. There's over 300 people in the building right now. You know what I'm saying? Close to 300 people. Let's go ahead and hit the like button. I know some of y'all on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? So if you in the building right now, let's go ahead and hit that like button, y'all. Please, please, please. I ain't too proud to beg. You know what I'm saying? Salute to I'm blessed in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? And we glad that you are blessed. You heard me?
Hey.
Salute to you, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's
thank
go.
you for that gift, Keela.
Let's go, man. Salute to those gifts, man. We got my boy T Lee 713 in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. We got my boy Cleveland Grave Digger in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Did anybody see Lil Boosie and Mama Nicole? Did y'all see that?
That was
y'all
dope.
feel about that, man? That was dope. That was dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Boosie for being a real one, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to
Scorpio, you know what I'm saying? Scorpios are just real around the board. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man. Look. You got some.
I'm telling you, Scorpios can fuck you off, but they are the most loyal sign. If you got them as a friend, you got them forever. And that's just real shit. So salute to Boosie. For real.
Man, you got some evil Scorpios too. You know what I'm saying?
I just said we can fuck you over, but we you know, that's if you get on our bad side. But if you have a Scorpio as
you know what? The fact that I'm in love with a Scorpio, I can't even dispute that. You know what I'm saying? Because the Scorpio I got in my life is most definitely loyal and is most definitely a sweetheart and will come through for you. So I ain't gonna argue that, baby. You know what I'm saying? So salute to Boosie. You know what I'm saying? But it's a big salute to Boosie, man, for holding it down for Mama Nicole, man. You know what I'm saying? The queen of the MO3 sector, holding her down on Mother's Day, man. Salute to L Boogie, man, for the gift. You know what I'm saying? Salute to my boy Trapping and Capping in the building, man. What's up with your gang? You know what I'm saying? Salute to Lois, man, for that $20. I can finally highlight it now. Salute to Lois. You know what I'm saying? For the $20, man.
Stay focused. You know what I'm saying?
Lois, stay focused. You feel me?
Yes,
we most definitely appreciate you and we love you over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We love each and every one of y'all, by the way, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all, man. Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know that I'm almost down to where I need to be. But we can't forget, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some people that are showing love on Twitch. Salute to L Boogie for showing the love over there on Twitch, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. We'll be on Twitch following this Legal Chess breakdown. So go ahead and follow the Twitch because I promise y'all, man, I'm about to start some shit over there on Twitch. It's gonna make a lot of sense to y'all, man. I'm finna blow the roof.
I wouldn't say start no shit, but I say you gonna.
No, I ain't finna start no shit, but I'm saying I'm finna start a series over there on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna blow the roof off a whole bunch of shit, and y'all gonna be like, oh. It finally makes sense.
This episode here it's y'all know how we get down. It's more of our one of the episodes that's more so of our teaching, but y'all don't want to miss the Twitch. I'm telling y'all that. Y'all don't want to miss the Twitch. So stay put. I'm telling y'all, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do a little teaching, and then this episode don't last long at all.
I ain't gonna say teaching. We're gonna give a little
I teach my people. Don't tell me what to now. Don't tell me. Now shoot.
Okay, Miss CB. All right, so my boy that dude in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Cause I ain't got time for CB. She in one of them moods today. She feel like she in her bag. I'm gonna let her stay in her motherfucking bag. You feel me? Salute to Hood's Queen. You ain't late. She said she just getting out work, but she is here. Queen. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Hood's Queen, man. Salute to my boy Keldrick in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's motherfucking go. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Who else we got in here? We got, let me say this right. We got Keela the Dunn in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Keela. To say what?
Keela sent a gift.
Oh, okay. Salute to Keela, man, for those gifts, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for those gifts. Let's go, man. We got Bunny Troll in the building, man. She said she finally out work to make a live. Let's go, Bunny Troll. You know what I'm saying? Salute to you, man. Glad you're able to be with us today, man. I'm glad everybody is able to be with us today, man. Hold on. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Hold on. Who else we got in here? I don't want to miss not a soul. We almost at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Red Nose in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? And she gonna shake it like a red nose. Like a red nose. Let's go, man. We got Gina in the building. What's up, Gina? Dum-dums. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Gina in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Gina just came off her birthday, man. Happy belated birthday to Gina, man. You know what I'm saying?
Happy belated birthday. Another year older. Can't miss that. That's a blessing.
Nah, for real, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Who else we got here? We got Ross Unfuckwittable in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Ross. Let's go, man. Let's go. What is you laughing at?
My sister, she crazy.
Oh, okay. Salute to my boy Mahia in the building, man. Over there in the lab live. I got the Drop TV. You know what I'm saying? Everything news. That nigga down there got about 100,000,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Across 3 platforms. You know what I'm saying? Nah, hey, look.
Get drunk no more.
Learn a lot from him, man. You know what I'm saying?
No.
We don't want to hear that. No. You know what I'm saying? Thank God for deliverance, but keep that tuck where it needs to be tucked in. I don't know what is wrong with you today. You cool? Is you cool? I'm just making sure you cool today, man. You know what I'm saying? You all right? You know what I'm saying? But salute to my boy Mahale, man, in the building, rocking out with us. Salute to the Sidewalk Gang. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna forget about you, Sheila, when it comes to that Twitch. I promise to God I'm not.
We got y'all. We gonna walk y'all through the Twitch. I promise.
Yeah, we're gonna rock y'all through.
Everybody that needs to go to the Twitch, we gonna get y'all there.
We got my boy King 23 in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, man. Let me see that like button, man. We need 40 more likes, man, to get. Come on, man. Hit the like button, man. Let's go and get the likes to 200, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get the likes to 200. And I guess I'm at the bottom now. Let me see. Yup, I see reflections right here. Okay, man, look. Let's go ahead and get the likes to where we need to get the likes to. You know what I'm saying? Let's get 333 on the board. Long live 3. You know what I'm saying? What you over here laughing at?
I'm laughing at Fancy. Fancy says, see me talking with her chest today.
Yeah, she on bullshit. She on straight bullshit, man. You know, I don't know what's wrong with her. Most definitely, man. But look, go ahead and hit the like button. Y'all know what time it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what time it is. Once again, I'm going to give y'all the itinerary. You know what I'm saying? We about to discuss. You know what I'm saying? Because, again, there's been a lot of back and forth, a lot of people coming through, you know what I'm saying, thinking that they know something. Sometimes we all may be a little wrong. You know what I'm saying? But that's why we do what we do, how we do it, so we won't have to sit up here and just talk out the side of our necks. So we about to show, improve, and put this away. We about to square this away. We about to show, improve how the feds not only help work this case, are still actively involved in this MO3 case and trial. All right? So if y'all don't want to miss it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all do not want to miss it. Then following this breakdown, we will be transitioning over to Twitch. So go ahead and follow the Twitch, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I got a whole nother demonstration that I'm going to do over there on Twitch. I'm going to turn the ads off. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to turn the ads off for right now. So y'all won't have to worry about the ads and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? So real quick, one last chance, man, to go ahead to get the like button where we need to be, man. You know what I'm saying? Where we at? 179. Let's go and get that motherfucker to 200 and more, because there's over 300 people in the building. Go ahead and hit the like button. While this playing, go ahead and hit the like button. Just press that bitch. Just keep pressing. Just keep pressing, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
Yeah. This ain't checkers. It's legal checks. Yeah. Every move calculated. Every play got consequences.
Legal chairs, I'm moving pieces, they don't see the ball. Courtroom pressure, every move can start a war. From the streets to the stand, yeah, it's all connect. One wrong move, whole case get dissected. Legal chairs, yeah, we playing for keys and indictments. Testimony, secrets run deep. You see a headline, I see strategy. Welcome to the game, this legal chess with me. Prosecutor building, stacking layers like a cake. Different state of watching, trying to find a mistake. Sabonis getting served, witnesses on the clock. Some gon' fold under pressure, some side as a rock. Plea deals on the table, that's a dangerous play. One flip, change the board, now the king in the way. They was riding together, now they telling the truth. Or they telling the story just to shorten their noose. It's deeper than the charges. It's deeper than the crime. It's about who controls the narrative. Yeah. Legal chess, I'm moving pieces, they don't see the ball. Courtroom pressure, every move can start a war. From the streets to the stand, yeah, it's all connected. One wrong move, whole case get dissected. Legal chess, yeah, we playing for keeps. Indictments and testimony, secrets run deep. You see a headline, I see strategy. Welcome to the game, this legal chess. When it's trial time, you watching the headlines. I'm breaking down the strategy. Every move, every play.
Come on, man, hit that like button. 10 more likes. 10 more likes. Let's go, man. 10 more likes. Let's get it. Okay, y'all bushing. Y'all bushing with that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? It's free, man. It is free. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit the like button. But I know y'all gonna do y'all thing. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna hold the show up no more. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit the like button, though, man. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, grab y'all pad, grab y'all pen, cause CB and Josh about to go the fuck in. Baby, it is your world, baby girl. Let's go. And salute to y'all, man. We at 200 on the likes. Let's go.
All right, thank you. All right, so welcome, family, to MO3 Legal Chess, episode number 39, the federal shadow behind Yella Beezy'S murder trial. So we know that this is a state case, but there are also DPD detectives who are also federal ATF agents. Example, Eric Barnes, okay? The state is also planning to use the testimonies of Eric Barnes and other federal agents as expert witness. So we want to break this down because, like Josh said, there has been a lot of riffraff. Like, is it the feds ain't involved? Nothing. The feds, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna break this down, put this together for y'all. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully it'll make sense by the end of this show. Like I said, it's not a long show on this end today, but stay tuned so y'all can follow us over to Twitch because it gets real interesting over there. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this document up first. Let me pull it up real quick. All right.
Let's go.
So as y'all can see, this document that I have on the screen, it did come from the docket, okay? It is on all three of the indicted
defendants,
yeah. But we just decided to use Yella Beezy'S. So as y'all can see, it says State of Texas versus Marquise Conway. It says capital murder. And it gives us the disclosure of state experts, right? So it says to the honorable judge of the said court comes now the state of Texas, a party in the above captioned and numbered calls by and through the undersigned assistant district attorney. And it gives the little codes. As required by Texas Code Criminal Procedure, the state provides notice to the defense that the state will use the following as designated experts at trial or any other expert disclosed through discovery or becomes known at a later time. So as we can see, they have a few experts on here. The first one, we have investigator R. O'Brien and a whole lot of investigators, right? So as y'all can see, these are different investigators, some for Dallas County, just different ones, right?
T-Mobile, all type of experts.
Correct.
They even got the dog on her. You know, the search dog. They even got the dog on her, man. I don't know how. That's gonna be interesting. How the state play. They gonna bring the dog to the stand.
Let's go. All right. So they got number 6, as y'all can see at the top. We've been hearing a lot about Detective Jay Howard. He will be a witness that they plan to introduce. He's with the ATF or any other DPD gang expert. We have Detective B. Nelson. On number 8, we have Detective Eric Barnes. Y'all see next to him, it says ATF. They have the Bradford Bates Certified Fraud Examiner, like just different ones. Special agents coming through, the K9 handler. They have the Special Agent Chewbacca, the K9. Number 12, y'all. Can y'all see that? Number 12 is the dog, y'all. The Special Agent Chewbacca, the K9. You know what
We
I'm
ain't
saying?
talking about Jerry Johnson, dog. We talking about an actual dog. You know, it's an actual K9.
Named Chewbacca. So they plan to introduce Chewbacca and his handler. I mean, this is just the truth. These are the facts, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see, I'm not going to go through all of them, but these are all of the different states experts. I'm sorry, experts that the state plans to introduce. All right. So I kind of wanted to show y'all that, and we finna get into the breakdown.
But hold on, but real quick, if y'all want a full breakdown, because we did a whole show about Detective Eric Barnes, you know what I'm saying? Because he's the most familiar face when it comes to this whole MO3 situation, not just the case and trial, but the whole history of the situation. So y'all can go check out Legal Chess episode number 27. All right, we did a whole show about Detective Eric Barnes and how he could be used in this trial. Very interesting episode. Go check that out. There's Legal Chess episode number 27. All right, let's go, baby.
Sure. All right, so first, before we get into the breakdown, y'all, before I get to showing slides, I wanted to first separate facts versus, inference, okay? So it is confirmed that this is a Dallas County State Capital Murder/Murder for Hire case against Yella Beezy'S, Marquise Conway, okay, Devin Brown, and Keywan White, all right? It is confirmed that the feds were involved early on with Keywan White. We know this, right? It's also confirmed that Keywan later got 105 months in federal prison on a separate gun case, while the state murder case remained pending. Okay, what is not confirmed, right? Federal prosecutors are actively involved in the case against Yella Beezy, okay? So I just wanted to let y'all know. But what we can say, and we can safely say this, is federal agencies, federal evidence, federal witnesses may be supporting the state case, all right? But the visible murder for hire prosecution is still at a state level.
Right.
All right.
And there is no, basically they saying there is no federal investigation. It's like the feds are not building a case. Let's get this distinction, right? The feds are not building their own separate case against Yella Beezy, which means there will be no federal indictments, but they are actively supporting and helping in the state level case.
Correct. All right. So here's the breakdown. Legal Chess. Why the feds matter, even if it's a state case. Number 1, federal task force officers can wear 2 hats. A DPD detective who is also tied to ATF/federal task force work can operate in a blended role. Local homicide detective, federal task force officer, ATF-linked investigator, expert witness on firearms, phones, gangs trafficking, or violent crime patterns. That means the state can use someone like Eric Barnes not just as the detective, but as a bridge witness who explains how local evidence connects to bigger federal investigative tools.
Let's go.
Number 2, the feds may have entered through the gun angle. This is big. Keywan was not first publicly framed as federal murder for hire. He was federally charged with felon in possession of a firearm. DOJ said ATF and DPD investigated and U.S. Marshals assisted with the arrest. Legal Chess read. The feds may have used the gun case as an early pressure point. Even if the murder case stayed in Dallas County, the federal gun case gave investigators custody leverage, search/investigation momentum, federal records access, possible cooperation pressure, and a way to separate defendants into different legal lanes.
Now, real quick, man. Salute to Big Coolin'. What's up, Big Coolin', baby? You know what I'm saying? We appreciate that $1.99. You hear me? Thank you, love. I see your sister-in-law down there, Charity, is in the building. You know what I'm saying? And before we move on, it's important to know that Devin Brown had a federal case before moved to state. Keywan White had a federal case before moved to state. We know Jerry Johnson is in the feds. You know what I'm saying? And Jose Bodega, even though he's not indicted, he's still a key witness in this federal. You know what I'm saying? Even Yella Beezy, he didn't go federal, but he was picked up by Detective Eric Barnes. I can pull up the search warrant if need be. You know what I'm saying? Yella Beezy was picked up by Detective Barnes and them too. So it's like all these boys went through Fed channels. You know what I'm saying? Besides Yella Beezy, you know what I'm saying? All these boys went through federal stages before even getting to the state. Understand that. And again, what they give them: custody leverage, search investigation momentum, federal records access, possible cooperation pressure, a way to separate defendants into different legal lanes. You know what I'm saying? So it's important to know that all these boys had some dealing with the feds before they even started dealing with the state.
And I see Sis said, I didn't know Barnes picked him up. Yes, Barnes did pick up Yella Beezy. Yes, he did.
Yeah.
He picked him up.
And I think it was some U.S. Marshals too. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Terry Doe, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Terry Doe in the building, but let's cook.
All right. Number 3, federal evidence can strengthen a state murder for hire theory. In a murder for hire case, the state has to prove more than somebody killed MO3. They need the chain. Who paid or promised payment? Who arranged the shooter? Who carried it out? And what evidence proves agreement, motive, and intent? Federal agencies can help with phone data, financial records, firearms tracing, surveillance/route tracking, lab evidence, location data, subpoenas and business records, and gang/criminal network intelligence.
Which leads us back to that the disclosure of state experts. The experts the state's supposed to use. They cover all of that. You know what I'm saying? They cover all of it. Y'all think that the state got all of this on their own when these boys had dealing with the feds first? You're tripping. Salute to my boy Stop 6 in the building. E-Mills, I see you.
All right. Number 4. Why use federal agents as expert witnesses? Because federal agents can give the jury a big picture explanation. Possible expert testimony areas: how firearms are traced, how cell site/location data works, how criminal networks communicate, how murder for hire payments may be disguised, how surveillance and subpoenas connect movement, and how gang/rivalry evidence may explain motive if admitted. Legal chess move: the state may use federal witnesses to make the case feel bigger, cleaner, and more organized. Not just street rumor, but structured investigation.
Let's go. Structured.
Number 5. But this also gives the defense ammunition. The defense can attack federal involvement like this. Are the feds trying to make the evidence fit a theory? Did federal pressure create unreliable witnesses? Did someone cooperate to save themselves? Are agents testifying as experts or secretly arguing the state's case? Is this real evidence or government interpretation? That's why expert witnesses can be powerful but dangerous. If the defense makes them look biased or overreaching, the jury may question the whole investigation.
And again, if you want to break down, because we did a whole episode on how these federal agents, specifically Eric Barnes, could be used in the trial, how it's gonna play out on both sides, the state and the defense, go check out episode number 27. Episode number 27 of Detective Eric Barnes.
All right, the big picture theory. Y'all know how we get down, the possibilities. Possibility 1, feds only helped with arrest/evidence. This is the safest confirmed read. ATF and marshals helped with Keywan's arrest and federal gun case. Possibility 2, the feds helped build the broader murder for hire map. It's very possible. Federal tools may have helped organize phones, guns, money, and movement. Possibility 3, federal cases created pressure for cooperation. Also realistic. Keywan's federal senate, Jerry's federal situation, and any cross-case movement could create leverage.
Let's go, man. Salute to Chippewa in the building. Salute to Big Pressure in the building.
Let's go. Possibility 4, a hidden federal cooperation layer exists. This is possible, but it's not proven. This is where sealed supplements, confidential subpoenas, and motion to reveal the deal become important.
Y'all remember the motion to reveal the deal, right? That's the motion that Yella Beezy put in that haven't been ruled on yet, but that's the motion that Yella Beezy put in to see who all got deals, any confidential informants, any things of that nature.
So our honest legal chess read, the feds are not just background characters here. They may be the infrastructure behind the state's theory. ATF equals firearm, gun, crime. That's network support. The U.S. Marshals equals arrest/custody support. Federal task force agents equals investigative bridge. Federal subpoenas/records equals money and movement support. Federal witnesses equals jury translation of complex evidence.
Man, the feds is all over this thing, man. This is basically a Fed case that's in the state jurisdiction. Basically, this is basically a federal case in the state jurisdiction. Let's go.
But unless a federal indictment against Yella Beezy appears, the cleaner wording is this is a state murder for hire prosecution with federal investigative support, federal witnesses, and possible federal pressure points surrounding key defendants.
And we see that. We see that.
Correct. So, y'all, the next portion of the show, we know that the same DPD detectives, right? Example, Detective Barnes, are assisting in the MO3 case, also worked the federal GRC guns and drugs case, which included Jose Bodega, who we know is a key witness in the MO3 trial, and Jerry Johnson. Yella Beezy, Keywan, and Devin are also GRC members. Let's connect this. The GRC connection and why this matters. Now, this is where legal chess starts getting deeper because we're no longer just talking about a standalone murder case. We're talking about overlapping investigators, overlapping gang intelligence, overlapping defendants and witnesses, overlapping federal and state investigations, overlapping criminal ecosystems. That can become very powerful at trial.
What's up, Well Informed? What's up, Big Roast? What's up, my guy?
The key players connecting both worlds. Detective/federal task force connection. If the same DPD detective/task force officers worked the federal GRC guns and drugs investigation and the MO3 murder investigation, then those investigators likely already had intelligence files, surveillance history, communication patterns, relationship maps, financial knowledge, and gang association evidence before the murder case fully developed.
And I asked Keywan, because Keywan could have very well been on that GRC federal case. And I asked him, like, how you didn't, you know what I'm saying? How you didn't get caught up in there? And Keywan said he had already had caught a federal charge and pled out to that gun case. So they couldn't bring him back on, you know what I'm saying, on the GRC shit.
So why this is important legally? The state may be building a relationship web. The prosecution may not just be trying to prove Keywan killed MO3. They may be trying to prove organization, association, trust relationships, access to shooters, access to money, and chain of command style connections. That's where the GRC overlap becomes strategically important.
Let's go.
Jose Bodega's role becomes more interesting. If Jose Bodega is tied to the federal GRC case, connected to people in the MO3 case, and is now a witness in the MO3 trial, then the state may view him as a bridge witness, meaning someone who can help jurors understand who knew who, how people interacted, the internal dynamics, access to weapons, drugs, cars, houses, communication culture. So the legal chess read, right? And why the feds matter here. And we're going to get into possibilities. Possibility number one, the murder case grew out of existing gang investigations. And this is very plausible. Sometimes law enforcement already has wiretap intelligence, surveillance, phone extractions, informant information, and tracking data from unrelated gang/drug investigations. Then a murder happens.
Right.
Well, we know that they have surveillance,
wiretaps.
Yeah, wiretaps. We know they have that. That's in the paperwork, in the GRC paperwork.
Right.
Suddenly, investigators already know who associates together, who travels together, who communicates regularly, and who may have motive/conflict.
And salute to my boy Mike Dub, man, for that gift, man. Salute to my boy Mike Dub. Mike Dub, drop down, man. Drop down, Mike Dub, so I can you know what I'm saying, mod you up. And y'all don't forget to hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably tuned into the show, but let's not forget to hit the like button.
Possibility number 2, the feds helped create the map. This is huge. The federal GRC case may have helped investigators create relationship charts, communication timelines, financial patterns, movement analysis, or gang hierarchy understanding. So when MO3 was killed, investigators were not starting from zero. This is also creates a major defense argument. The defense can argue the investigators become too invested in a gang theory, meaning they viewed everyone through a GRC lens. They assumed association equals conspiracy. They built narratives first and evidence second. They turned a rivalry into a prosecution theory. This is very common defense strategy in gang-connected murder trials.
Let's go, man. Salute to Sleepy Rob, man, for
We
those
can't hear
gifts,
you,
man. Oh, shit, my bad. Salute to Sleepy Rob for those gifts, man. Appreciate you.
So why gang evidence is so dangerous? Here's why. Gang evidence is emotionally powerful. Jurors may hear gangs, guns, drugs, rivalries, and rap beefs and subconsciously assume guilt. That's why courts are careful about Rule 403 prejudice issues, whether gang evidence is truly relevant or whether it unfairly biases the jury.
Let's go. And we already know they plan to introduce at least some of the gang culture GRC background because it's all in the paperwork, even the Crips. And they say that Yella Beezy'S uses Instagram and other social media platforms to display this lifestyle.
Correct. So the biggest legal chess question, is the state trying to prove a murder or a coordinated criminal ecosystem that produced the murder? That's a huge distinction. Because if prosecutors lean into the second theory, then federal agents, GRC investigations, Jose Bodega, financial subpoenas, phone data, and cooperating witnesses all start fitting together like puzzle pieces.
Let's go. Let's go. And I know a lot of people heard that and they be like, Rico. Well, I mean, we will have to see after the trial. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, it ain't no Rico because ain't no point in hitting no Rico when they got these boys for murder for hire. That's higher than a Rico.
The Jerry Johnson angle gets even heavier. Now the overlap becomes harder to ignore. Federal GRC case, check. Jerry Johnson federal exposure, check. Same investigative ecosystem, check. Later murder for hire allegations, check. Financial subpoenas, check. And motion to reveal the deal litigation, check. So the legal chess interpretation, the defense likely believes someone inside the broader network may be cooperating or providing connective information. That doesn't prove cooperation, but it does explain why the defense keeps pressing for disclosure, deals, informants, and confidential witness information.
Let's go. So this for, you know what I'm saying? Because I know some of y'all be seeing us on other platforms and some people be debating us as if certain people is snitching, cooperating, whatever. Yella Beezy'S on defense feel like that. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all got to understand this. Every motion costs money. You know what I'm saying? Every motion that your lawyer filed for you costs money. So a lawyer is not going to file no motion for no reason. If I file a motion that says, man, reveal the deal, we need to know who cooperated. That lets us know that these niggas already know or believe that somebody is cooperating.
So the state's possible master narrative. The prosecution may ultimately try to present this wasn't random chaos. Instead, it was a rivalry. It was organization. There were trusted relationships. It was coordinated communication. There was a money flow, and they had access to shooters. And federal investigators may help the state explain that entire ecosystem to jurors.
Let's go.
So the defense's counter narrative. The defense likely wants jurors thinking there is not the association is not conspiracy. Being GRC doesn't prove murder. Federal game theories create tunnel vision. The government stitched together unrelated relationships. Street politics and rap beef are being exaggerated into a murder for hire narrative. And that may become one of the central wars of the trial.
Let's go.
So let's get into the next portion of the show, family. So a lot of people seem to think because the feds didn't pick up the MO3 case, then they believe it's not a strong case. And we about to break that down and why, right? Let's start here. If the feds didn't pick it up, the case must be weak. Not necessarily. That's a very common internet assumption, but legally, it's not that simple at all. A case stand in state court does not automatically mean weak evidence, weak witnesses, weak investigation, or no federal interest. In fact, some of the strongest murder cases in America remain state prosecutions.
Now hold on real quick, because we got Facts TV News. I be seeing your channel come through my shit, gang. He said it doesn't cost to file motions. My guy, you know what I'm saying? Respectfully, you are wrong. Let me read this for you real quick. It says, yes, lawyers charged to file motions, usually billing for the time to draft, research, and argue them. Costs vary widely from a few $100s for simple woo. But just simple Google. You can Google it yourself. Do it cost for your lawyer to file motions? Yes, it does cost, my guy. Ain't nothing free, fam. That's why they pay the lawyers. I'm sorry. Go ahead, baby. But salute to you, my guy.
First, the feds don't take over every big case. People often think high-profile murder equals federal case. That's not how jurisdiction works. Murder is primarily a state crime unless certain federal triggers exist. Let's give some examples. Killing a federal officer. Crossing state lines for murder for hire. Racketeering / RICO enterprise. Terrorism. Federal property crimes, or large interstate conspiracy elements. Without those, homicide usually stays local / state.
Let's go. Remember, we told y'all this is basically a federal case that's just on a state level. But keep listening.
And here's the big misunderstanding. Federal involvement does not equal federal prosecution. A case can have ATF involvement, FBI assistance, Marshals involvement, federal task force officers, federal intelligence, federal subpoenas, and federal witnesses, while still being prosecuted by the state. That happens all the time.
Let's go. Hold on. Go back real quick.
I can go back. Go ahead.
Yeah. It says a case can have ATF involvement, FBI assistance, Marshal involvement, federal task force officers, federal intelligence, federal subpoenas, federal witness, and still be prosecuted by the state. So you can have the feds all over this case and it still be on a state level.
Legal chess, why the state may want to keep it. Number one, Texas has extremely strong murder laws. Texas prosecutors already have powerful tools: capital murder statutes, conspiracy theories, accomplice liability, murder for hire enhancements, and life without parole / death penalty possibilities. The state may simply not need federal charges.
Right. Again, y'all, this is legal chess. You know what I'm saying? This is legal chess. What jurisdiction do we need to put this in for our benefit?
Number two, the feds may already be helping behind the scenes, and this is important. People hear no federal indictment and assume the feds found nothing, but that may not be true at all. Federal Federal agencies may still be helping with, again, data analysis, surveillance, financial tracing, firearm tracing, gang intelligence, fugitive apprehension, and records gathering without becoming the lead prosecutors. Number 3, sometimes the feds intentionally let the state handle it. Why? Because state court may actually be faster, cleaner, easier for jurors, more direct, and less paperwork heavy. Federal murder for hire prosecutions can become massive and extremely technical. Dallas County may already have everything needed.
Exactly. So it'll make more sense. You know what I'm saying? Not saying that it couldn't be a federal case. It just make more sense for it to stay in the state jurisdiction.
Correct. Number 4, federal charges can actually complicate things. A federal RICO or enterprise case could require prosecutors to prove broader conspiracies, criminal organizations, interstate conduct, predicate racketeering acts, or enterprise structures. Sometimes prosecutors strategically avoid overcomplicating the case.
Let's go.
So, internet versus real courtrooms. The internet often thinks no federal indictment equals weak. But lawyers often think, can the current charges already win? If the answer is yes, prosecutors may leave it exactly where it is. The GRC overlap actually cuts both ways. Some people see GRC overlap, ATF-linked investigators, and federal gang investigations and think the feds should have charged everybody federally. But another interpretation is the feds already helped build the intelligence foundation, and the state used that information for the murder prosecution.
Right. Those for the people that's thinking RICO. You know what I'm saying? Everything is strategy.
Important. Federal cases require different types of proof. The feds are very selective. Sometimes they avoid charging unless they have airtight interstate evidence, financial trails, communications, cooperators, or enterprise structures. So absence of federal charges doesn't mean no case. It may simply mean the state forum is better for the battlefield.
Let's go.
So the real legal chess question, the better question is not why didn't the feds take it? The better question is why are federal agents, federal task force officers, federal cases, and federal witnesses orbiting this state prosecution? That is where things get interesting. Because that suggests.
Go ahead, baby.
Because that suggests overlapping intelligence, overlapping investigations, overlapping defendants/witnesses, and overlapping pressure points. Even if the courtroom itself says Dallas County, Texas.
Let's go. Let's go. We putting this to bed. You know what I'm saying? One wretched ass nigga. I'm cutting them off on Twitch when we go over there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the YouTube ass gotta rock. Hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button.
So our read of the situation. The federal presence around this case actually suggests the opposite of nobody cared. It suggests law enforcement attention was intense. Multiple agencies were involved. Investigators likely shared intelligence. The case may connect to broader gang/crime investigations. The state may already possess the evidence structure it needs. The real battle may not be, is there evidence? The real battle may become, can prosecutors connect all the evidence clearly enough for a jury to convict beyond a reasonable doubt? All right. So, in closing, family, we want to break this down and sum it all up. All right. This is the last portion of the show, and then y'all can move to Twitch for the good shit. Okay.
Let's go, man. Go ahead and follow the Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow the Twitch.
So let's go. MO3 legal chess, the federal shadow over a state murder trial. The big picture. At first glance, the MO3 case looks simple on paper. Dallas County state murder for hire case. Yella Beezy'S accused of orchestrating the hit. Keywan White accused of carrying out the shooting. Devin Brown and Jerry Johnson tied into the broader allegations. But once you zoom out, the case starts looking much larger than just a normal state homicide prosecution. The federal shadow. Even though this is not officially a federal murder case, federal agencies were involved early. ATF assisted in the investigation. U.S. Marshals assisted in arrest. Federal gun cases overlapped key defendants. DPD detectives also operated in federal task force environments. Federal-style investigative tools appear all throughout the case. That matters because it suggests investigators were not building this case from scratch after the murder. So the GRC connection changes everything. This is where the legal chess becomes deeper. The same investigative ecosystem connected DPD detectives and task force officers, the federal GRC guns and drug case, Jose Bodega, Jerry Johnson, Keywan White, Devin Brown, and alleged GRC affiliations. Now the prosecution potentially has more than isolated evidence. They may have relationship intelligence, movement patterns, communication history, association mapping, financial insight, and gang/rivalry context before the murder case even matured publicly. So, the state's possible theory, the prosecution may ultimately try to tell jurors this was not random violence. Instead, a rivalry existed, trusted relationships existed, communication networks existed, access to shooters existed, money movement existed, and coordination existed. And federal witnesses/task force investigators may help explain those connections in a way local detectives alone may not. So while the feds may not have taken the case, this is where the internet narratives often miss the mark. People hear no federal indictment and assume weak case, but that's not necessarily true because murder is primarily prosecuted by states. Texas already has strong capital murder laws. Dallas County may already have the charges it wants. Federal involvement does not require federal prosecution. The feds can assist heavily behind the scenes without becoming the lead courtroom prosecutors. So the real battlefield, the real war in this trial may not simply be, did the shooting happen? That part is largely undisputed. The real war may become connections. Can prosecutors convincingly connect alleged money flow, communication, relationships, movement, motive, and then the execution into one believable conspiracy narrative? So the defense is a counterattack. The defense likely wants jurors thinking, again, association is not conspiracy. Gang affiliation is not proof of murder. Rap beef is not evidence of guilt. Federal gang investigations created tunnel vision. Investigators built a narrative first and searched for evidence second. That could become one of the central legal chess fights at trial. So the Jerry Johnson question still looms. One of the biggest unanswered questions remains. What role, if any, does Jerry Johnson ultimately play in tying everything together? Because his federal exposure, overlapping investigations, later sentencing developments, financial subpoenas, and that motion to reveal the deal litigation all continue casting a shadow over this case. And that's why so much attention keeps returning to cooperation, confidential witnesses, sealed information, cross-case movement, even when nothing has been publicly confirmed. So, the final legal chess read. This case no longer looks like just a local murder case. It increasingly resembles a state murder prosecution built with the assistance of a much larger investigative ecosystem. The courtroom may say Dallas County, but the fingerprints of federal investigations, task force intelligence, gang investigations, overlapping prosecutions, and federal pressure points appear all around the edges of this case. And ultimately, the prosecution's challenge will be, can they make all those puzzle pieces fit cleanly enough for a jury? While the defense's mission will be, convince jurors the government connected dots that were never truly connected at all. And there go y'all legal chess.
Good luck with that. Good luck with that. So before we move over to Twitch, y'all. So this just for the ones who may believe Yella Beezy's gonna walk or whatever case may be, which is respected. All opinions are respected over here at Room 901. But just imagine this. I heard everybody say, man, the feds got a 99.9 what they say conviction rate, right? So imagine the feds, right, taking on a state level case. These boys don't have a chance, man. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Now, I always say this. They going before a jury of 12, right? So all they need is one juror to not buy into the state's argument, right? Mm-hmm. So they have a puncher's chance. You know what I'm saying? They what they call them, a puncher's chance. That's all they got. Man, the feds is basically, the prosecutor, you know what I'm saying, Thomas Adams, you know what I'm saying, he's the state prosecutor, you know what I'm saying? So he gonna argue the facts, but the feds then put all this shit together. You know what I'm saying? So imagine the feds taking on a state, like in a state level jurisdiction, and they got a 99.9 conviction rate in the feds. Y'all follow me? Am I saying that clearly, baby?
Yeah, you said it clearly. It makes sense. It makes sense.
Yeah, but nevertheless, you know what I'm saying? If you've been in the building, if you're gonna watch on the replay, we have debunked, we have solidified the fact that the feds are most definitely heavily involved in this MO3 case, in the MO3 trial. All right. So we put that to rest. You know what I'm saying? When the feds get involved, they got something. Most definitely, Sheila. You know what I'm saying? So we put that to rest over here at Room 901. You know what I'm saying? So anybody else keep saying that, anybody else keep thinking that, they are wrong.
Let them.
Nah, don't let them. Hit them with the information. You know what I'm saying? Tell them to go watch Room 901, episode 39, and you're going to get the information you need. You know what I'm saying? Don't let them. You know what I'm saying? What they say is each one teach one. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So now that we know better, they can know better. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people think, you know what I'm saying, even us sometimes. You know what I'm saying? That's why we use the methodology that we use, the legal chess machine, or what they call ChatGPT, whatever. That's why, because we refuse to go live. We have more respect for this MO3 case to go live and telling y'all what the fuck we think a lot. Now, we do that sometimes. You know what I'm saying? We'll get into that, you know what I'm saying, what we think back, you know what I'm saying? But we got way too much respect for MO3, his family, and his case to just be on some, man, we think this, we think that. Nah, we gonna find out. I don't understand how all these people go live and don't never Google search a goddamn thing. They'll sit there and be asked the question like, well, I don't know. Just go to fucking Google. Just do some quick research. Share your screen. Pull up some paperwork. But they laugh at us because we do it. They try to diminish us because we rather do the research and give y'all the facts. You know what I'm saying? They sit up here and tell y'all what we think. Well, I think, I don't know, but nah, man. No, I refuse to do that. I see you in the building, Rainwater. You know what I'm saying? But look, we about to go to Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Will Inform said P. Diddy. P. Diddy is a great example of it doesn't matter how much money you may have. All that money couldn't get him bail, house arrest, or release pending an appeal. These are colored defendants. Hey, let's go, man. Let's go. And I don't know how people think Yella Beezy's got more pulled in Dallas than P. Diddy got, you know what I'm saying, in New York. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how these people, I don't know. I'm not a Dallasian. But you know what I'm saying? I don't know how people think Yella Beezy's got more pull in Dallas than Diddy had in motherfucking in New York. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we gotta let they play it. They gotta play the game. So August, you know what I'm saying? The trial gonna be here, and we gonna see what it's hitting for. But like I told y'all, until then, we gonna keep our motherfucking foot on their necks. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep applying pressure. We're gonna keep giving y'all this information. We already got the next Legal Chess episode already in the wraps. You want me to tell them, baby, they complete the goal. You know what I'm saying? You want me to
yeah, you can tell them, but I want to know before you tell them, how did y'all like that map? And do y'all want the episode where I combine the Mo3's final route with the Trap Boy Freddy map? Do y'all want that episode? Because that takes me a lot of time, and I just want to know. If y'all really want it, I'll give it to y'all.
Hell yeah, we want it. The fuck? Is that even a question?
The chat. I know you want it.
Yeah, we want it.
But go ahead, baby. You could. I'll watch the chat. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. I forgot what I was about to say. Yeah, I
You
forgot.
was gonna tell them about the next
Oh,
episode.
yeah. So the next episode, y'all, this is debunking week. All right. I ain't gonna say debunking. This is clarification week. All right. So how many of y'all been hearing about the missing terabytes of information that happened in Dallas County Jail? How many of y'all they want it, baby? They want it.
Okay, I got y'all. I will start working on that. It's gonna have to be next week. I'll start working on it.
It has to be next week. You know what I'm saying? But how many of y'all have heard about the missing terabytes of information that happened in Dallas County? How many of y'all heard about that? Let me know. Okay. All right. And you know, a lot of people in the MO3 sector have been speculating, you know what I'm saying, that has something to do with the MO3 case. Now, this is gonna be another technical episode that we're gonna do. We're gonna be back with Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Wednesday, because baby leaving me again. Baby finna leave me again. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're gonna get back in there Wednesday. Then and that's what we're gonna do the legal chest about. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is and what it ain't. You know what I'm saying? We most definitely is gonna go down through there with it. You know what I'm saying? Because some of these things before trial, we just want to go ahead and get squared away. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Sheila says she have not heard it. Don't worry about it. We're gonna break it all down.
Sheila. We got you.
If you haven't heard it, you know what I'm saying? If you haven't heard about it, you will most definitely be laced up come Wednesday. So we're going to go down through that rabbit hole. We're going to see what it is. We're going to see how it affected the MO3 case, the investigation, the trial, all of that. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to put that to rest. You know what I'm saying? Very good information that's going to be coming by way of that episode. So be right back here with us Wednesday. All right? It was two different situations. I heard you, Facts TV. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna get into that right now. Just be back Wednesday and we gonna chop it up. You know what I'm saying? This is clarification week. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes we do legal chess based on paperwork, breaking news, and sometimes we just have to just dispel some rumors, get a better understanding of some rumors or some things that's being said. You know what I'm saying? Before trial, so we can go to trial over here. You know what I'm saying? When we make it to trial, we gonna know exactly what the fuck going on, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the number one goal, to not have y'all confused or none of that come trial day.
Baby.
What's up, Leezy, baby? You know what I'm saying? So if you need to, always go back, man. We 39 episodes in. We got the whole legal chess playlist in chronological order. You can go back and pick an episode. Anything that you may feel like you want to know, if we have done an episode about it, go back and watch the episode, man. I'm telling y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Get a refresher. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to trial, can't nobody lie to y'all. Y'all won't get lost in the sauce. You won't have no narrative. Say what?
Look what AF said.
Put Key One antics to rest. He's playing in our face with bullshit and lies he's gathered on the internet. We might, okay, but we again, they'll have to probably be next week. You know what I'm saying? We already got the episodes for this week ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So they'll probably be next week. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I've been seeing something about Jay-Z and his son, this whole paternity thing. I don't know, man. I'm kind of interested in that. Man. You know what I'm saying? So how y'all feel about the Key One dropped about Ashley and said? Yeah, man. We ain't gonna get into that. We ain't gonna get into that, man, because you know what I'm saying. You know, there's still MO3 baby mama. You know what I'm saying, and so we ain't gonna get into that. You know what I'm saying, but y'all can probably expect Key One to say anything right now. You know what I'm saying. But time will tell, man. You know what I'm saying? My thing is, Key One, if you got all this information and you willing to put it out on the internet, nigga, why not tell the people you need to tell and go and get a deal? If the information is so true, you know who the Money Myers is and all of this stuff, and you telling the internet, why not tell the goddamn people you need to tell and go ahead and get you a deal or something? You know what I'm saying? Because they're gonna show what's real and what's not. But until he turn that information into some real facts, hey man, I'm gonna let him talk, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him talk. You know what I'm saying? But we about to get ready to go to Twitch, man. You know what I'm saying? So look, follow the Twitch. Sheila, what you need to know? What did you need to know? Just click the link. You know what I'm saying? You click the link. You can either download the Twitch app or you can follow the Twitch link and it'll take you to the browser. You know what I'm saying? But we about to get ready and go to Twitch, man. You know what I'm saying? Salute to Hood Queen already over there on Twitch showing love. You know what I'm saying? We about to get ready and go to Twitch. And we about to start this breakdown. I'm about to show y'all some things. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I've been here since day one. You know what I'm saying? On 11/11, I was here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to break some things down. You know what I'm saying? We're about to start a series where we about to start seeing some things and how they came into fruition. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So salute to Hood's Queen for that love over there on Twitch. So Sheila, where you at? Let me know what you need to know. And just in fate, I hope come trial time, you know what I'm saying, we get you up here on a panel or something. You know what I'm saying? I want to see a Justin Fate up here on a panel with us, man, at least a couple times. You know what I'm saying? Come trial time. Where's Sheila at, man? Sheila, let me know what you need to know. You know what I'm saying? What you need to know. Okay. All right. So let me go and drop the Twitch link again.
Before you close it, I want to make sure she get it.
Yeah, she gonna get it. Where you at talking like?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay. Let me go, man. Y'all go and get over there to Twitch, man. Go and get over there to Twitch. Look at her. She said, what? Yeah, fake. You know what I'm saying? Go on, pop out, man. Go on, pop out. You have dope legal analysis, man. I appreciate your information you be dropping, man. We would love to hear it. But if not, you know what I'm saying? If not, you know what it is. All right, so I guess Sheila, I don't know where Sheila at. I don't know where Sheila at, man.
Might already be on Twitch.
Okay, all right. So look, check this out. We're about to end it on YouTube. All right. I'm about to play one last song. You know what I'm saying? Go on, get over to the Twitch. Let me get my Twitch pulled up over here real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me get to my phone and go to Twitch so I can see y'all over here. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna cut the ads off. So if you go over there and you see an ad right now, don't worry about it. We're gonna cut the ads off. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I get over there. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and do it now. Hold on. All right. Boom. I'm over here on Twitch. Let me go to Twitch real quick. Cut these ads off. Y'all go ahead and get over there. Y'all go ahead and get over there. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to tell y'all what we're going to get into once we get over there. You know what I'm saying? It ain't none of YouTube business what we finna do on Twitch. You hear me? It ain't none of YouTube business what we finna do on Twitch. Let me go over here. Boom. Create a dashboard. They might already be off. I don't think I ever turned them back on, but let me make sure. Hold on. Go to her. Boom. Ads. Okay, yeah, let me cut them off. All right, no ads on Twitch. Ain't no ads on Twitch, all right? So, look, I'm about to drop the Twitch link again. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to play this.
My Sheila, where you at? I hope you over there on Twitch.
Yeah, I hope she is. Let's go. Well, I mean, you might see it. I just turned them off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so the first ad pops up when you first get in there.
I just turned them off. So, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me get back over to YouTube so I can be dropping the Twitch link in the chat while this song playing. And we're going to get up out of here, man. We finna go over in Twitch, man, and begin the beginning of this rabbit hole. Because we ain't going to go down a complete rabbit hole tonight. You know what I'm saying? Because we'll be here all night. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to show y'all some things. Hold on. All right, there we go. Boom. All right, y'all. I'm about to play this song. You know what I'm saying? And after that, I'm going to be ending on YouTube. And we will be over on Twitch. You know what I'm saying? Go and come to the Twitch. Let's come to the Twitch. All right? Y'all already know, man. We about to bump that new Kogati, man. We about to bump that new motherfucking Kogati. Salute to everybody that came through. Everybody help us complete their goal. Everybody hit the like button. We love y'all. And we're going to see y'all right back here on Wednesday. All right? We're going to be right back on Wednesday. All right? So salute to y'all. When this song is over with, we will be on Twitch. So don't sit here just looking at me like I'm crazy. Go ahead and get over to the Twitch. Get over there. Let's go.
Yeah. All this pain and all these scars,
Say growing up we had it hard. I'm like, who would ever thought
I love.
that we would make it this far?
Hey, long way from where I'm trying to go, long way from where I came from. The back at war, just me and Joe shot that nigga with his gun jam. I was aiming for his head and hit him in his shoulder. Ever since 3 been dead, my heart been getting colder. Used to share the same bed, bundle up when it got cold. Lights out, we light candles, heat up water on the stove. 2 pieces of chicken, we used to share our bitches and sell the same clothes. Been with this nigga all my life and now he gone.
All this pain and all these scars. So growing up we had it hard. I'm like, who would ever thought that we would make it this far? My granny prayers still protecting me, yeah. Say my life will last long. My mama prayers still protecting me, yeah. While my life is getting hard, oh yeah.
Cause I was supposed to been dead. I was right next to JP when they shot him in his head. Never thought it would be 3, thought it'd be me instead. Bitch, you know how we play. Don't leave your house without that strap. Bitch, you know what we said. PTSD, on the highway I'm clutching. Nigga get too close to this car on my mama, I'm bustin'. End of discussion. Tell me, how you ever lost your brother? And them niggas that got me killed me with security, it's hard to touch.
All this pain and all these scars. See, growing up we had it hard. I'm like, who would ever thought that we would make it this far? My granny prayers still protecting me, yeah. Say my life will last long. My mama prayers still protecting me, yeah. While my life is getting hard, oh yeah.
And mama try her best, she ain't raised us this way. Used to make us go to church, every Sunday make us sing. You know we come from McKinney, that's a city full of hate. Everybody know about the cold kids, love and hate to see our face. Think they all that, but they don't know our refrigerator empty. They don't know the lights was off and we had roaches in our kitchen. Used to tell the kids at school how my whole household was thugging. They believe me till them niggas killed my brother.
All this pain and all these scars. See, growing up we had it hard. I'm like, who would ever thought that we would make it this far? My granny prayers still protecting me, yeah. Say my life will last long. My mama prayers still protecting me, yeah. While my life is getting hard, oh yeah.
Let's go. We going to Twitch, share. We going to Twitch. We are going to Twitch. You know what I'm saying? We are going to Twitch. I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play this, man. Everybody get to Twitch. One last chance to get over to Twitch. Let's go.
Yeah. This ain't checkers. It's legal chucks. Yeah. Every move calculated. Every play got consequences. Legal chess, I'm moving pieces, they don't see the ball. Courtroom pressure, every move can start a war. From the streets to the stand, yeah, it's all connect. One wrong move, whole case get dissected. Legal chess, yeah, we playing for keys and indictments. Testimony, secrets run deep. You see a headline, I see strategy. Welcome to the game, this legal chess with me. Prosecutor building, stacking layers like a cake. Different state of watching, trying to find a mistake. Sabunas getting served, witnesses on the clock. Some gon' fold under pressure, some side as a rock. Plea deals on the table, that's a dangerous play. One flip, change the board, now the king in the way. They was riding together, now they telling the truth. Or they telling the story just to shorten their noose. It's deeper than the charges. It's deeper than the crime. It's about who controls the narrative. Yeah. Legal chess, I'm moving pieces, they don't see the ball. Courtroom pressure, every move can start a war. From the streets to the stand, yeah, it's all connected. One wrong move, whole case get dissected. Legal chess, yeah, we playing for keeps. Indictments and testimony, secrets run deep. You see a headline, I see strategy. Welcome to the game, this legal chess. When it's trial time, you watching the headlines. I'm breaking down the strategy. Every move, every play, every angle. This legal chess strategy.